Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can transfer money from NetBank app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, I'm going to be letting you know the steps, so make sure to watch the video till the end, and here we go. First thing first, you got to access your NetBank Money app. You can simply install it from your App Store or your Google Play Store. Then simply log into the app or create yourself an account if you haven't created an account yet. Once you have logged in, here in the home page, you want to select the option of Pay. Then once you've selected, select the option of Send Money. Simply enter the recipient's cell phone number if you want to send it through the number, or enter their account number details. Then enter the amount you want to send. Afterwards, select the account to pay from. If you have multiple, if you have one, it will redirect. If you have multiple, choose one. Then confirm the details, review it, and complete the transaction by tapping on Done or OK. That's how you will be able to send it. Now you can also use the NetBank app to transfer money between NetBank accounts simply the same way. You can log into app, go to transfer, transact or transfer into the amount you want to share, choose the account you transfer from, choose the account transfer to, and then select date for the transfer, tap next, and tap complete to finish it. Other thing is you can also make instant payment using the NetBank app. So for that, again, log in to your app, select Transact and tap Pay, and then Single Payment. Enter the recipient's name, the payment type, and then select Instant Pay. Accept the terms and conditions, enter the amount, and select your account which you would like to send from. Enter your reference details if you have one, otherwise tap Next and review your payment, and then tap Finish to be done. That is it. So make sure to do that and you're good to go. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.